All right, guys, as I was saying, parts returns are very important to your business. I used to have parts that were just sitting up on the shelf for no reason. Probably never going to use some of these hard to find or old parts. And what I decided once I started bleeding money, that for one, I was a dummy, because there's no shame in taking back something that you don't need. You have to get over that. You have to get over yourself. And a lot of me is me. And if you understand that, you understand that. A lot of me is me, being in my own dang on way. And I have to stop. And number two, that was $416 just been sitting right in the back of my truck, riding around for the past week. Just there. Didn't need them. Control boards, hadn't been open. Sup pumps, stuff that I didn't need. I got another $350 that needs to go back to Macomb. I'm gonna have to ship that back, but I don't need it. It's just riding in the back of my truck. So, what, about $770 or so? Just riding in the back of the truck. $770 just riding in the back of the truck. Don't need it. Jobs are complete. It's over. Get over yourself. Get over your complexes. Know who you are. Because I do not want you to be like me. All right, guys?